I'm trying to breathe steadily. Aw, they're congratulating me. Look at them, how sweet. No! I don't know what I did to get me hiccups. Drink water, okay. I will. Yay, Mom, I'm home. Let's go eat natto. I'll tell you about all my adventures. The end. Happy ending! The curse is broken! Yay! I thought we did it! Together! Somebody was playing the Switch. Well, we did it. Chat came looking for you a while ago. I don't know what it was about, but he's shouting about you guys needing to get on a ship at Snow Point City. You know how impatient he is. He was gone before I could ask. Anyway, how's it going, kid? Is your project with Professor Rowan coming along? Nope. Forget the Pokedex. I want to train my Pokemon. Anyway, that's where we stop. That's it. That's it for now.